Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we have the Wh-Ch710 Sony headphones. Really abstract name, really a little bit too long, and not at all consumer friendly naming, but nonetheless we will continue. Now these are the noise cancelling headphones. They are around $250, somewhere around there. I got them on sale for around $80, so I got actually a really good deal on these. Now I've been hearing some mixed reviews when it comes to these headphones, so I wanted to check them out for myself, and obviously if you guys are interested, you guys can go pick this up and see for yourself. Now these offer 35 hours of battery life, connection with Bluetooth and NFC one touch, so that's really cool. Also you have noise cancelling, which is the main thing about these headphones, and also they come in black and blue. I decided to get the black, all things matte black. And as you can see, we have 10-minute charge, can get you 60 minutes of playback. You also have USB Type-C charging, and you also have your headphone cable. So if you are low on battery or they're dead, you can always do that. Alright, let's get started. And here we have the headphones. Throw the box to the side as well. Now here we have our cables, which is gonna be the USB Type-C charger, and also gonna be that headphone adapter sort of cable, which will allow you to plug in the headphones into your phone regardless of whether they have battery or not. Now this is good if you have a phone with a headphone jack, but if you have an iPhone or a high-end Samsung phone within the past 2 years, you're not going to be able to take advantage of this. Fortunately, I can. And also we have the USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable, so for that rapid speed. Now we have the headphones themselves. Now the packaging, not that impressive. Alright, first impressions. They are light. They are very light. They feel very plasticky, but I think that's how it should be, considering that these are somewhat about comfort as well, not only active noise or noise cancelling. So I think they do an excellent job with overall feel. Very light. You have a metal adjustable band. You have plastic ear cups and some relatively cushiony earmuffs. Not the best I've felt, but it is okay for the price. Now here we have the noise cancelling button as well as ambient sound. Alright, so grab your phone. Mine is the A52 5G. It's in a really rugged case at the moment, so it is what it is. Now I do have NFC turned on, as you can see right there. Now let's see if it actually connects. And there we have it. Pair the Bluetooth device. And as you can see there, we have them connected. They have 70%, so very courteous of them to send it with some power. Alright, so that was the unboxing. I will mess around with it for a little bit, because I have a ton of videos that need to be published, so this one's going to be a while before you see the review, because there are a lot of videos in the making. So it's a little bit of a weird schedule at the moment, but we have a lot of videos coming up, so subscribe and stay tuned for those videos, because they are honestly kind of fun, and I'm very excited to share them with you. And for right now, I'm starting to like these. I'm gonna definitely try them out, and I'll give you guys my honest thoughts. For everything when it comes to superficial, not having to do anything with the sound, they honestly feel pretty good. Plus you have a stretchable band on top, which if you have a big head, again, very helpful. But personally I have a normal sized head, but a higher than average sized brain, so these are going to be very cool to listen to. I'm very excited. I got some test music that I have set up already, so can't wait for that. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.